Alright, going to Montreal. That's the parking. I'll put the link in the description. And this is the official start. It's an extremely cold fall day. Usually people show Montreal in summer, but it's unfair because summer is only 3 months long. So anyways, we'll go up. It takes about 20 minutes. And yeah. So when you go up here on the hill, it's not a mountain, it's a hill. There's different trails you can take. And there's different maps on the way as well. But it's a very cold day, but it looks amazing because of the fall colors. And once you go up there, it's gonna be more colors. And we hiked for we walked up for 5 minutes, maybe 7. And we already at the lookout area. So apparently there's a cafe or something over here, which is nice. Because in this cold, you need some kind of food to warm you up. That's the lookout area. Looks awesome. And that's the lookout view. The camera doesn't capture everything. I wish it was sunny so we could see all the colors and everything, but looks pretty cool. Or just a square. That's kind of cool. People sitting here enjoying the view. A bit of history here. So I found this cafe upstairs, which is pretty cool. Nice place to warm up. Extra warm here, which is awesome. And they have a few things here and there, a few wraps. Alright, so there's one more trail. I have no idea where I'm going because everything is written in French, but I'm just following people wherever they're going, so must lead to somewhere. So anyways, I think this is another lookout, and the entire Montreal is going under construction for some reason, so even the trails are under construction, so we have to take a detour. And let's see. Oh, there's another lookout, and there's another trail right here. Yeah, trails all over the place. Yeah, I have no idea what that says. How would I know? Okay, another lookout area here after the trail. It was a 5-6 minutes trail. Pretty cool.
That's beautiful. That's perfect.
Okay, so now we're going for another trail. It's apparently taking us to the cross at Montreal. I have no idea what I'm going, but I'm following the people and the trail. It's been about 15 minutes of walking uphill, so let's see how long it takes. Right, so we finally made it to the cross right here. Took about 20 minutes and we're both tired. And after this, we're not going to the summit, we're just gonna head back and
because we're gonna have some poutine.
Yes, and then go back home. Quick tip, if you take these stairs down, this starts from Montreal and then come down all the way, you get to a spot called this. It's right here on the map. And it has another lookout. Very cool place, very small, very cool. And it has a nice cafe over here as well. We did not come down all these stairs. We actually drove down. So you can drive down, just drive downhill east of the mountain, and you'll eventually get to this parking lot, which is the easiest way and the quickest way to get here, and it has amazing views right here. So this area has probably the best views, better than the Montreal lookout. And you can see the bridge connecting Montreal to Brossard, I think, and then you can see the Olympic ground, which also has the biodome and a couple other places, and it looks amazing. I'm sure at nighttime it looks even more magical. A little cool cafe with some burners and swings, and apparently it's smoke friendly.